Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. I have two more coins from Monaco. Monaco is sometimes referred to as a microstate. And their coins, their euro coins, are very sought after. Now, this coin here is a €2 coin. And this is issued for the wedding of Marguerite. It was in 2011. And it shows her and her husband. It does look like Prince Albert and Marguerite, but I'm not sure if that's true. I think it is, and if it is, it's not Marguerite. It's Charlotte, is it? Charlene? But oh, it's wedding marriage. I missaw that. It's wedding and marriage, 2011. It looks like Albert II and his wife Charlotte, I think her name is, or Charlotte. It is a coin issued in 2011. I don't have any mintage figures for it. Yeah. So I can't give you the full SP on it. But it is a very nice coin. The second one is a €2 coin again. There we go. And this one here is a 2013 coin, and it's the UN. It celebrates the 20th anniversary of Monaco's entry into the UN. You have a dove carrying a olive branch. You have the 12 stars of the EU around it, and it was minted in the Paris Mint. And the mintage was 1,249,131. Both of these coins, let me just go up. Sorry, wrong way. Both of these coins are low minted, as most Monaco coins are. They are good. They're very good coins, and they are particularly collected by people who particularly use €2 coin hunts and such like. So these are very much hoped for coins in the hunts, and being such low mintage, they're highly sought after. Right. What do you think of these coins? Do you like them? Would you want them in your collection? Do you yourself have a collection of euro coins? Do you collect just these microstates, as some people do, or do you have just a general collection of euro coins? Let me know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please could you give me a thumbs up. It's not going to cost you anything. And if you do like these types of videos, if you haven't yet subscribed, I would be delighted if you would, but only if you feel I deserve it. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Until we meet up again, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, don't forget I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you want to watch. I do a minimum of 4, should I say. I do occasionally do more than that in a week, but until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.